Did you know that the global candle market is projected to surpass $10 billion by the end of the decade? What started as a necessity in ancient times has evolved into a booming industry, fueled by demand for unique fragrances, sustainable materials, and the promise of a relaxing ambiance. But here's something you may not realize. The candle industry isn't just about wax and wicks. It's a dynamic, fast-growing market that's reshaping the way people think about self-care, home decor, and even gifting. Whether you're drawn to the idea of creating your own signature scents, or you see candles as an opportunity to bring a bit of warmth to people's lives, the candle business offers unique opportunities for creativity and entrepreneurship. And the numbers don't lie. Candle sales have soared in recent years, largely due to consumers' increased interest in wellness, the surge of handmade and artisanal goods, and the power of social media, which has turned small candle startups into beloved brands practically overnight. In this guide, we're going to dive into why the candle business is one of the most exciting industries to enter right now. We'll cover the trends driving this growth, the appeal of personalized products, and how a relatively simple product has become a meaningful part of people's lives. By the end, you'll have a complete roadmap for launching your own candle business, equipped not only with the practical steps, but also the insider knowledge needed to succeed in this competitive market. So let's explore the world of candles, from the initial spark of an idea to the steady burn of a thriving business. Step 1. Understanding the market and finding your niche. The candle industry is diverse, with each niche catering to a specific audience. Before you start pouring wax, one of the most important steps is to identify where your brand will fit. Are you interested in luxury candles made from high-end ingredients, eco-friendly options using sustainable materials, or unique scents that capture seasonal themes? Each of these niches comes with its own set of consumers and trends, making it crucial to do market research up front. Understanding what makes each niche successful is key. For example, eco-conscious consumers often seek candles made from soy or beeswax, packaged in reusable or biodegradable containers. On the other hand, luxury buyers may prefer candles with complex, layered scents and elegant packaging that elevates home decor. Research popular brands within each category, look at what they offer, and identify gaps or areas for improvement. Once you've chosen a niche, think about how you can make your brand stand out. A strong brand story can help differentiate your candles, especially in crowded markets. For example, you could emphasize your commitment to all-natural ingredients, local artisanship, or a specific lifestyle, like capturing the essence of the countryside or an urban vibe in your scent profiles. With a clear brand identity and story, you'll have an easier time creating a product line that resonates with your target audience and inspires loyalty. Step 2. Developing and perfecting your product. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to start crafting a product that will stand out. Candle making may seem simple, but the quality of materials, fragrance choices, and design can make a significant difference in how your products are perceived. Here are some key elements to consider. 1. Wax type. The type of wax you choose impacts the burn time, scent throw, and eco-friendliness of your candles. Common choices include paraffin, soy, beeswax, and coconut wax. Each has its pros and cons. Paraffin wax, for instance, is inexpensive and has good scent retention, but isn't as eco-friendly as soy or beeswax. 2. Wick material. Wicks come in various materials such as cotton, wood, or even hemp. The wick affects the candle's burn time, the flame size, and even the scent dispersion. Wooden wicks, for example, create a soothing crackling sound and are often used in luxury or rustic-themed candles. 3. Fragrance and essential oils. The scent is perhaps the most important aspect of your candle, as it defines the experience for the customer. You can work with fragrance oils or essential oils to develop unique scent profiles that reflect your brand's personality. Consider blending multiple fragrances to create signature scents that evoke particular feelings or memories for customers. 4. Containers and packaging. The container you choose for your candles, whether it's glass jars, tins, or ceramics, can add to your brand's identity. Minimalistic packaging appeals to some customers, while others might prefer intricate designs. Either way, ensure that your packaging is practical, complements the aesthetic, and aligns with your brand story. Think of each candle as an experience. How do you want your customer to feel when they light it? Brands like Yankee Candle focus on nostalgic scents, while others, like Diptyque, emphasize subtle luxury. By carefully selecting each component, you're crafting more than just a candle. You're creating an experience. Step 3. Testing and refining your product. Before launching, test each candle to ensure the scent throw, burn time, and overall quality meet your standards. Consider creating small sample batches and gathering feedback from friends, family, or a test group. You can also sell samples at local markets or pop-up events to get initial customer impressions and adjust based on feedback. This pre-launch testing phase is invaluable for perfecting your product and minimizing issues post-launch. Step 4. Building a brand and creating a marketing strategy. With your product perfected, it's time to think about how you'll introduce it to the world. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is essential, especially for visually appealing products like candles. Platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are ideal for showcasing your brand's aesthetics and storytelling, while Etsy or Shopify make it easy to reach a wide audience with minimal startup costs. 1. Social media presence. Social media is where most new candle brands gain traction. High-quality images, engaging captions, and creative posts that show your candles in action can help draw attention. Collaborate with influencers or lifestyle bloggers, host giveaways, or share behind-the-scenes content to build brand awareness. 2. Website and e-commerce. Invest in a clean, user-friendly website where customers can easily browse your collection, learn about your brand story, and make purchases. Include a blog to share content about candle care, scent choices, and how your products fit into a self-care routine. Optimize the site for search engines with relevant keywords to help people find you online. 3. Email marketing. Building an email list is crucial for nurturing relationships with customers. Offer a discount for first-time subscribers and send regular updates, exclusive deals, and stories that deepen their connection with your brand. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for driving repeat sales and building a loyal customer base. 4. Local markets and pop-ups. If possible, participate in local markets, fairs, or pop-up shops. This gives people a chance to experience your candles in person, which is especially helpful when selling a scent-based product. It also provides valuable real-time feedback and strengthens brand visibility within your community. Step 5. Launching and scaling your candle business. With a solid product and marketing plan in place, it's time to launch. A soft launch, where you introduce your product to a limited audience, can help you iron out any last-minute issues and build some initial buzz. Offer discounts, run a launch day promotion, or host a virtual event to celebrate and drive interest. Once your business is up and running, the challenge will be scaling your operations while maintaining quality. Here are a few tips for scaling. 1. Streamline production. As demand grows, you'll need to streamline production to meet orders efficiently. Look into bulk purchasing for materials, refining your production process, or even hiring additional help if needed. 2. Outsource where possible. Tasks like website management, social media marketing, and even some production aspects can be outsourced. Many successful candle brands hire fulfillment partners to handle packing and shipping as they grow. 3. Maintain customer relationships. Building a loyal customer base is often more effective than continually trying to reach new buyers. Encourage customers to leave reviews, subscribe for future discounts, or join a newsletter to foster a community around your brand. Offer loyalty programs or subscription boxes to keep customers coming back for more. Key takeaways. Starting a candle business can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor that combines creativity with entrepreneurship. By focusing on quality products, a strong brand story, and effective marketing strategies, you can carve out your own niche in this competitive market. Remember, success won't happen overnight. Be patient, stay connected to your brand's purpose, and continue learning as you grow. Whether your goal is to create a small, handcrafted brand or expand into a larger-scale operation, following these steps will set you up for success. With a little inspiration, dedication, and strategic thinking, you can build a candle business that not only lights up homes, but also brings warmth, comfort, and joy to people's lives.